Eliminex here. We're in Plainsboro, New Jersey. We're doing ants and general pest sprays. 25 basic general insect pests. We're doing a perimeter spray. Kind of getting ready for the spring. We're doing our little spraying here, spraying the ornamentals, turf and ornamentals, the yard, the fence. Creating the chemical safe product lasts the whole season. So we start from a 90-day guarantee plan all the way to a 1-year maintenance plan, depending on your needs, whether you have wood destroying insect pests or just regular nuisance pests like bees, ants, crickets, spiders, stuff like that. Sometimes hornets and centipedes throughout the year. Also, we offer rodent control. We do a rodent monitor baiting program. We also offer green pest control options. We have a whole line of green pest control, pesticide free, but this one we are using a light application, a pesticide application for barrier treatment. It lasts longer, less application time, quick effects.